Hi, Jim Carson here from Blackstock Ford Lincoln, Orangeville, Ontario. Today, once again, back at our off-site mod center, baddogmods.com. We are an authorized Katzkin dealer, and we have been for many, many years, and we like to think we're experts. This video, I'd like to show you about what fits and what doesn't. Continuing our series, well, the all-new interior of the 2021 needs an all-new interior from Katzkin, and they've just came out with it. We're one of the very first to install them. We've custom ordered it. I'm going to go over the things you should know about adding Katzkin Leather Interior and some of the great opportunities you have with the way the 2021 has been configured and priced from the factory. Particularly the 302A and the XLT, now having automatic temperature control just like a Lariat. You just need leather and you're there. I'll show you how we can make leather even better than the factory offerings. Check it out. You can get leather interior supplied by Katzkin from many, many dealers across North America. But there's a lot of things to know about the Katzkin leather and the fantastic offerings they have. The basic leather kit that you're going to be most often offered is a factory design match kit. What does factory design mean? Not a full leather seating surface and not their highest grade qualities of leather. And you're stuck with choosing just the factory matching colors. That's it, no customization. Well, that's not what we're about at Blackstock Ford Lincoln. We like premium, we like quality, we like understanding the product, and here's what I want to tell you about. First step is, above their standard entry-level kit, you now custom order a kit for not much more from Katzkin Leather. Your first choice, would you like regular or deluxe? Well, your position may be, oh, I don't want to spend for the deluxe. The deluxe matches what OEMs do. The regular kit from Katzkin is all going to be seating surfaces, are going to be all leather. Now, what kind of leather? Well, we've upgraded it for our 2021 Dakar package. And what we've upgraded, the seating surfaces that you're sitting on are Tuscany leather. Really soft, very durable, beautiful, nice leather seating surfaces, a fitting of this truck. Now, so that's the Tuscany, is what's called the seating surfaces. We've gone with custom stitching that you've seen on the front seats to add a red contrast stitch. We've had our custom logo of the Dakar package embroidered into the back seat. Now, in the backrest of the front seat. The backs of the seats, this gray product here, this is a product from Katzkin that is not leather, and I'll tell you why we went this way. It's called XT. It is a very, very durable vinyl. It's a great vinyl product, and we're using that. It comes in only 3 color choices, gray, black, or red. We're using, obviously, this stone gray color for the backs of the seats. If you're going to get in and out of your truck, tools, sharp objects, your toolboxes, saws, you name it. You got kids in the back seat, rough play. This stuff is tough. It's almost twice as thick as their standard offerings. This is a great interior to put on a removable roof, like, let's say, the full-size Bronco or a Jeep Wrangler. It is impervious to water. It can take a severe punishment. You've got dogs. This stuff is what you want, this XT. So this is the Katzkin leather kit that we've gone on the Dakar package. I want to talk about a couple of the install features and some things that you need to know and why you should trust Blackstock Ford as your Katzkin authorized dealer.
Hi, I'm Dan. I want to show you some of the tools and tips on installing a Katzkin leather for the F-150. The first thing you're going to want to do is completely remove all the seats from the interior of the vehicle. While the leather is warming up in the dryer, you got to remove all the cloth off all the pre-existing seats. So one of the tools that you're going to need to use also is a head shrinker. That shrinks your headrest so that way you can fit your cover right over top of it. One of the other tools that we use is a steamer. That removes all the wrinkles that are in the seats after you've finished installing them. So one of the most critical things to do once you've done installing the leather on the seats, before you put the seats back in, you're going to want to discard your seat bolts, because right in the Ford Workshop manual it says that they're torque to yield bolts, which means they're a one-time use bolt. These seat bolts are only around $8 to replace. My advice to you is, if you're not getting it done here, you make sure that that company is reinstalling new seat bolts, because they're a one-time use bolt. So my last piece of advice for you, if you're shopping for Katzkin leather and you're not coming to Bad Dog Mods or Blackstock Ford, would be to go on the Katzkin website and look for an authorized dealer that would be able to show you all the different options and knowledge that you need. So I'm Dan from Bad Dog Mods. I just finished installing the very first 21 F-150 Katzkin Leather install, and it looks friggin' awesome.